Hey guys, it's your girl Georgette, and I just want to share with you how, as a beginner, I am making money online. I never thought it was possible to be home. Guys, I am home right now, and I am making money from my bedroom, from my couch, from my dining room, and I'm just so excited. I am overjoyed because I've always worked very, very hard, manual labor. And just thinking about it just brings me so much joy, guys. I am truly a beginner. I didn't know anything about not even my laptop. I had a brand new laptop sitting down, not even using it. And earlier this year, I wanted to do something different this year, 2020. And I wanted to learn how to, because I thought everyone on the internet was a scammer. I really, really did. But then I came across a platform that is for absolute beginners. I didn't know what a website was. I didn't know what funnels were. I didn't know what landing pages were. Guys, I didn't know anything. I hardly knew how to use my laptop. I know how to use my cell phone. I receive calls. I make calls. I send emails, receive emails, post photos on Facebook, Instagram. That's about it, guys. So, but this program I came upon is for absolute beginners. If you don't know anything, I am telling you, I am making money from my bedroom. And they set you up with your web page, with your funnels, and they do everything for you and guarantee you start making commission. They guarantee you that you will start making commission. I started making commission within the first week or two, I believe. I started making money online. And guys, ever since I've been making monies online. And I'm just overjoyed that I'm doing so. And so what I want to share with you guys, if you don't know how to, don't even try to attempt, because it can get tricky if you don't know. So what you need to do is to get with someone who is already doing it. Guys, if you're getting any value from what I'm saying, just click the like. Just give me some likes below and give me a comment. Leave a comment for me. What are you doing in 2020 to make money online? I personally didn't know how to go about doing it at all. And so that is why I'm sharing my journey with you, because I am home. There's an app that when you make commissions, the app just goes off when money comes into your account. And I'm sitting down there watching a program, and I just hear the app going off, and tears is just flowing down my eyes, because I didn't know it was possible. I really did not know it was possible, guys. This platform, there's not 24 hours, but it's about 16 to 18 hours of support. There's a Facebook support group, and the persons that are mentoring us and that are helping us, these people are multi-millionaires. We have Zoom meetings, no cost, free Zoom meetings. We're on 4 or 5 hours with them, and they're giving us the nuggets, guys. When have you spoken to a multi-millionaire one-on-one? That doesn't happen. There are groups out there that I have found that they just email you what to do, but no one is there to assist you, guys. I am telling you that with the Done For You service is the name of my platform, and there's 16 to 18 hours of support. And the persons that are in charge, who are multi-millionaires, they message us, they check up on us, and we have one meeting a week 4 to 5 hours live, talking back and forth with them and asking questions. How did you do it? Give us the nuggets. And let me tell you something, guys. They give us all the nuggets. We are making money, and I'm just so overjoyed, guys, that I am making money from home, especially right now. So guys, leave me a comment. If you want me to message me privately, you can message me. I will even help you. I will help you to make money, because there's a saying goes that service leads to greatness. So if you want to message me, I will personally just help you what I have learned, because the more you help others, the more you will be blessed. And so you can message me, but I will leave the links below, and you can click on the links and you can check it out for yourself or not. Okay, it's a choice that you have. If you want to do it, you can do it. And if you don't, then that's okay as well. But I've learned how to do it as a beginner. Never thought in my wildest dreams that I would be making money online. And so I'm sharing it with you guys. And you can give me a like, give me a share. There's someone out there who needs to know that it is possible, guys. Leave me a comment that you would like my help and message me privately, and I'll reach out back to you. So click on the links below or not. Check it out for yourself, guys. That's the proof that it's possible to make money online as a beginner. Take care. Bye.